A kiss. Carlos buys new car is very expensive car. Is huge blue fast car. While driving down the street, Carlos sees a girl on a bicycle. She has long blonde hair and is beautiful. He yells to her, "What's up?" She ignores him. He yells, "How's she going?" She keeps going, ignores him. He yells, "Hey, why won't you talk to me? I want to go to dinner with you. I take you a best restaurant." The girl gets off the bike and looks at him. She says, "I don't want to go to dinner, but if you give me the car, I will give you a surprise." Carlos says, "Okay." He jumps out of the car, he gives her the keys and says, "Here's the key." The beautiful blonde takes the keys and then kisses Scarlett on the cheek. Then she jumps into the car and drives away. Scarlett stands on the sidewalk. Now he has no car and no girl. She says, "That's it. That a kid on the cheese." He gets on the bike and drives home.